Hi everyone, welcome back to Cassandra's Plants. Today I'm doing the opening of Barry's Cactus Club for March. I think this is the 10th one in the series, taking us up to June, which will be the year. So as always, I haven't opened it. I noticed they've gone for a lovely sort of teal, aqua, turquoisey colour box this month. That they haven't had before, so maybe that'll mean we're getting something new. I don't know. So let's crack on and open it up. Well, hello there. Should I turn it over or shall we just have a look? Let me have a sneak look. Oh, interesting. Well, I'm going to keep you in suspense. Let's have a look what else we've got. They're awesome recyclable packaging, as always. There we go. So, here we go. Oh, nearly fell off. Mammillaria elongata, or lady's finger. Now, I actually already have one of these, and I also have the rubber version where the spines are red. These are one of my favourite cactuses of all time, just because of how they grow. And hopefully we've got an interesting one here. So as always, the little card that goes in your album with the care instructions on the back and some information about the origins and where the plant is found originally, which is great. So let's have a look what else we've got. Some seeds. Now, got tomato seeds and now, I can never say this. It's either cucamelon or quackamelon or, yeah, they're like a cross between a cucumber and a melon. They look like tiny, if you haven't seen them before, they look like tiny baby watermelons, but they taste like lemony cucumber. They're probably no bigger than the size of the top of my thumb, probably like a grape size is a good indicator, but that's awesome. I'm going to grow them. They're really great in things like salads and stuff like that, and obviously everybody loves tomatoes, so tomato seeds, so that's really good. I do like to grow my own veg, but I've never done the cucamelon before, so fingers crossed that will go well. I might do a little video on how all of the Barry seeds have gotten on, so we'll see. So let's open this up. Oh, and that's just a little, oh, it's got a pickle recipe on there. I've just seen that. Wow, I'm gonna have to do that. Just a little info card on what you've got in the box. And make sure I open this right. Stiff on this thing. Oh. Right, here we go. The big reveal. Oh, a spotty pot. It's quite nice. Now, these spines are tiny, I don't know if you can see, and they will get stuck everywhere if they fall. In your carpet, in your trousers, in your clothes. There we go. A little baby Mammillaria elongata. So these actually grow, these offsets and the main one will actually grow really long. There are like a, what do you call it? A column cactus or a columnar cactus. And they'll grow easily, like, I don't know, up here, quite long. And you could take all of these offsets off and babies and plant them as individual cactuses if you want to. Cacti, I should say, if you want to. But I quite like leaving them clumpy until they get a bit too big for the pot, just because I think it looks sweet and cool. But there you go, and there's the spotty pot, nice little round one. So yeah, I think this is a really good addition to the group. It's a bit different from everything else we have. They've normally stuck with like the barrel shaped cactuses and the round ones, and not really done, other than like the blue candle, I think they've not really done other sort of long ones, so that's a nice change. Still waiting for the succulents to come. I know we've had a couple of Haworthias, but Still waiting for the other succulents, but this is a good addition, and I really like this month. I think those seeds are great, and they'll be quirky for a lot of people. So, as always, let me know if you're still doing berries after all this time. What do you think of this month's box? Give us a like, a subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. And I'll see you all again next time.